Are you ready to earn money just by literally searching on Google? Well, I'm going to show you in this video. It's unbelievable. It's insane. I didn't even think this was possible, but then I tried it out and it works. And you can earn money literally by just searching on Google. And I'm going to show you. You're going to get paid in crypto, okay? That's how you get paid. You get paid in cryptocurrency, not even joking. And if you come over here, I'm going to show you on my computer this crazy, believable method where you're going to get money, and it's verified just by searching on Google, things you do every day, but you're earning money doing it. Let's get it. We're going to go on my computer. I'm going to show it to you. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll earn money doing it. And you can do this no matter what country you're in. This is totally free to do. You can do this if you're under 18, over 18, no technical skills. This is super simple, and it's worldwide. So let's get into this right now. Let's see it. Okay, so how do you, I mean, this is just crazy, right? Like you make money by searching. You think I'm lying. I mean, this is real, and I'm going to show you. I mean, if you go to my computer right now, it's a site called Presearch, okay? Right here. Look, you can Google it or whatever. You find the site, type it in, presearch.io. Link should be in the description. And what this is it is a decentralized search engine powered by the community, whatever that means, okay? But the point being, basically, instead of Google making money off of your clicks, you make money off of your clicks, and you don't make a lot, but it works. And you can read the whole, white paper, you can read all this gobbledygook right here. But long story short, you need to join the beta, and it says join Presearch beta, and you go to presearch.org to sign up. So when you go to presearch.org, it'll give you an email and a password, and you just sign up. And after you sign up, you'll get this search bar, just like any other search bar. And as you see right here, it says it all. When you search, you'll be rewarded with pre-crypto tokens, okay? And I'm just gonna click next, and you can see how many tokens you have in the top right corner. You earn 0.25 pre-tokens per search, up to 32 searches per day. So 8 pre-tokens. And basically, you just, your search will go to Google, blah, blah, blah. And let's just start searching, okay? Let's just try this out right now. I'm gonna search for, guinea pig sellers, and or guinea pig breeders, right? So redirecting to Google. And there we go. Now I just went back to Presearch, and as you see, we got 0.25 pre-tokens, okay? And you can add this to Chrome, you can use it, but basically you're earning real money with searching. And if we want to see how much is a pre-token worth, right? How much is this actually worth? You can actually go to Coinbase. Now, one slight side note that you have to understand is crypto is arguably the future of all currency. Right now, all of our currency is controlled by governments, and it's kind of funny money. The way the system is built is not to make you as individuals rich, but it's to make the people who run the system rich. If you believe in conspiracy theories, it's the Rockefellers and the Rothschilds. Or if you don't believe in conspiracies, it's the tech and the political elite. Whatever it is, it's not making you and I rich. It's mostly putting most people in debt. Well, I'm getting rich, but that's a different story. But let's go back and let's see how much each of these searches is worth. Okay, so here I am on a site called CoinMarketCap, and this is a site where you can see the value of different crypto tokens. There are a lot of different crypto tokens out there. And we see here we have Presearch, okay? So pre. And unfortunately, the value is only it's a little less than a penny. So if we got 8 pre-coins a day, so 8 pre-coins times 0.6, really, the most you can make is 5 cents a day. So that's not a lot. And it's not the best way to make money. You're not going to get rich doing this. But who's to say that these pre-tokens aren't worth a lot of money in the future? Could be, could not be. Who the heck knows? But either way, you can start searching and you can start earning some money, and maybe the value of a pre-token will go up. Now, if we look over here, we'll see that in the past, back in January 10th of 2018, each pre-token was worth 67 cents. So by that math, we would earn 67 cents times 8. So you'd earn about $5 a day if the pre-coins were worth that amount of money. So you can earn as much as $5 a day just literally searching, which is pretty insane. You know, they're much less now, but who's to say they don't spike up and go Bitcoin wild and they're worth 10,000 someday? I don't know. I don't think they will. But once again, these are the sorts of things where you could possibly get in early and suddenly you're a millionaire 5 years down the line because you just did some searches back when pre was really easy and they gave you a quarter of a coin each. So who knows, but this is one method that you can use to make money. There are a lot of little methods. This doesn't make sense time-wise to do 8, it's not that much time. It's 32 searches a day, but at the same time, you could probably make more money doing something else. You take your own path. Now, I don't talk about crypto a lot on this channel, but if you want me to talk a little bit more about crypto, I've made a little bit of money doing that. Type in crypto in the comments, and I'll kind of go into more ways where you can even have affiliate networks pay you in crypto. I'll go into different strategies where, you can do different weird crypto arbitrages and stuff like that. Just type in crypto in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos about making money and using the internet to make money and to fuel your freedom, go subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that notifications bell, and I do videos every single day about making money on the internet. And also, if you want me as your mentor and learn the strategies I use to make almost $1 million a month in my internet business, you can join my money club. There's a big sign that says join right next to the subscribe button, and you can be part of the money club, and you'll get 2 live streams with me every month where you'll be able to interact with me live and ask me questions, have me look at things, have me look at ads, whatever you want, be on the live stream basically. And you'll also get access to a huge archive of videos that you can go through that are step-by-step in how you can build your business and make money online. So have a good day. Awesome seeing you. Make some money. Get some of those pre-coins, baby.